Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video we'll talk about matrices, the introduction part of matrices. Okay, matrix. What is a matrix actually? It is nothing but a collection of numbers, right? We're going to collectively store numbers in the form of an array. Okay, this is an array, like a two-dimensional array. Okay, so matrices are nothing but the collection of numbers. Numbers को हम क्या बोलेंगे in this form? इसको elements भी हम बुला सकते हैं. We can also call this elements. We can also call them as entries. ठीक है? We can call them as elements. These numbers we can call them as elements or entries. Either ways. Okay. Okay. So this is a matrix. We all know. ठीक है? Matrix will have what? Rows, right? These are nothing but rows. And these are nothing but columns, right? This is one column, this is one column, this is one column. These are nothing but columns. Right? So how we represent a matrix, how we represent the order of a matrix. Okay? Order. This is the order of a matrix. Matlab, the number of rows and the number of columns. So here if you see, we have got 3 rows. So 3, I've got 3 columns. So 3 by 3 matrix. The order of the matrix is 3 by 3. 3 into 3 nahi padhenge hum isko. We will read this as 3 by 3. Okay, clear? Next, if I want to identify, if I want to locate one single element in this matrix, how am I going to locate it? With the help of the subscripts. Okay, I and j. With the help of subscripts. The subscripts are nothing but I and j here, where I will be the row and j will be the column. ठीक है, अगर मुझे कोई एक particular element को locate करना है matrix में, I'm going to use the subscripts I and j. For example, suppose I want to locate this element in this matrix. Suppose this matrix is represented with A. ठीक है, I want to locate this element. So this element is present in which row? It is in second row, and also it is in second column. So I'm going to represent it this way. Capital A is equal to A of 2 and 2. That means the element that is present in second row and second column. Clear? Suppose if I want to locate this element, so this is present in third row, third column. Or if I want to locate, suppose this element, this is present in first row, third column. Right? So I'll be representing this like A is equal to A, first row, then the column. The row is third row, so 3, and the column, sorry, the row is first, the row is first and the column is third. So 1, 3. I'm going to represent it this way. The element that is present in the first row and third column. Okay? Clear? This is how I'm going to locate one single element. Okay? And yes, the elements, I can enclose them within this square brackets, or I can enclose them in this brackets, or I can enclose them in this way. Okay? You will rarely find this too, but we can also enclose them in this fashion. Instead of square brackets, we can also use these two notations. Clear? Easy, just the basics I'm saying. So matrix is nothing but a collection of numbers, where the numbers are called as entries or elements, which are enclosed in either square brackets or these two fashions. So these two ways. Clear? Next, order of a matrix is represented as row by column. The number of rows by the number of columns. Next, notation. If I want to locate one single element in a matrix, I'll be writing it, representing it in this form. The name of the matrix, the symbol of the matrix, matlab the matrix is suppose represented with A, or it is represented with B or C, anything. I'm going to write that is equal to the element over the subscripts I and J. Clear? Easy, right? Okay, and in this matrices or linear algebra, we are going to study about this matrices, elementary row and column operations, and we are going to study about the rank, diagonalization, index, signature, Cayley-Hamilton theorem, and many more topics. Okay, so inshallah in the next video we'll first talk about the types of matrices. Okay, we've got various types of matrices and you have to know the types in order for you to perform operations on them, right? So in the next video we'll see the type of matrices. Okay, thank you.